How to collaborate with other artists using Lalal.ai shared project. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Log into your account using your credentials or sign up if you are new. Next, make sure you have an active subscription. Shared project features are typically available to premium users, so upgrading your plan may be necessary. Now, upload the audio or video file you want to process. Once the separation is complete, you will find an option to share the processed themes or project. Click on the Share or Export Project option. You will be able to generate a unique link or invite other artists directly by email depending on your collaboration settings. Shared projects make it easy to exchange feedback, make edits, and download themes in real time. And that's it. Now you know how to collaborate with other artists using Lalal.ai shared projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.